Alright, so sorry about that. Accidentally black screen that will put it on the lock screen, and this is going to be part 2, but basically, that is what this vacuum does, which I don't think y'all really even need to see, but I'm going to go ahead and test it on camera. Oh my god.
And it's also a good review on the Shark vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, so, and look.
This should be easy to clean, and we don't have to worry about anything. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Look.
That's the dirt. Because the living room and...
This floor has not been that well done in a while.
For like what? For the past 30 years?
I don't know how long it's been since it was last done.
Probably a good 15 years.
Probably. Alright, so I'm going to now take this piece off here and see if I can remember
how it goes. Yep, there we go.
Alright, so now I need to move. Alright, hand me that piece.
Alright, let me grab the other piece. Look at that. Very easy to put on there.
The other piece, which
is easy to put on.
You put right here.
Or you can switch between two pieces.
I'm going to have to.
Because one's longer and taller than the other. You nasty.
Anytime I have this look, he knows my mind. Alright, so that goes on easy.
I mean, heck, this ought to be like a promo.
Ceiling tile. So.
Yeah, and my sister might try to clean that if she wanted to.
I'm also going to try to get over there, which, okay.
Well, gotta wiggle it down good.
Alright, so, now.
Oh, hey. Yep. Just keep it in place so it doesn't go everywhere. Boom. Yeah,
So,
always do that when you're doing that.
Well, you see where that foot thing is?
Mm-hmm.
That foot symbol? Boom.
I mean, look at the swivelness. Show that little bit of swivel. Swivelness, y'all. And look, my sister came and... Wait. Boom.
Oh, I did not know that.
It was right underneath that, so when you released that, Tina, I was able to get it. So,
and, hold up, I need to redo this. So, power button again.
Super easy. If my sister can keep this clean, she will be good. I mean, look. Yeah, right there by my beanbag chair. All she has to do is just lift it up and boom, she can clean right there.
Here, so.
No. Harley, have a seat there. And boom. Ooh.
You see? Watch that little piece right there.
Look how.
Watch this.
Look at that. That is easy. Barely any struggle. I mean, hey, if y'all want to get something like this, y'all might have to ask my sister on how she got it.
Tryitsampling.com. I will link it down there. There is a wait list as they only accept members every so often.
So make sure you sign up. Dang, look at that. Barely any struggle.
Indeed.
Might have to do some moving around, but this thing is very movable. Woo! Woo! Ooh, the heat coming from that is warm on my booty. Alright. And cleaning this should be a breeze.
Actually, this is the handle release. Sorry, so I don't need that right now. Alrighty, so.
And we got the lift away button. So when this needs to be emptied,
It can be dumped into the trash can.
let's see.
That's the handle itself.
Yep.
Alright, so. To get a more fairly accurate representation, look.
Look at that. That is amazing.
I'm going to show my mom this before I empty it. And show her exactly how bad this carpet was before I assembled it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so that is going to be it. I am expecting one more thing from Tryit. I don't know when that will ship because of this virus going around. But this, I think, is a good thing to have. The other vacuum cleaner did not clean as well as this one.
Mm-hmm. Because
So
the Kirby
I think
one is shit.
I think I will give this a few more tries before I submit the review. Before I do a review of it. And I'll also take a picture of this. Of the vacuum cleaner and the dirt of what's inside it once I'm able to. So this is going to be about it. See ya. Bye.
Holla at your boy. Yeah!